Garage Golfer James again, and I wanted to talk a little bit about getting too flat, getting the club across your body today. The tendency sometimes can be, to get the club across the body, flat and across the body here, which usually tends to drop in the club in. And you actually, when you come down, you want to have the club, still bisecting between your arms, and the tendency is to get up under here and have it not bisecting this arm at all, have it below the arm, have it under the plane. That's a tendency for players that have developed a better swing. They're not getting over the top. The question is that when you get stuck like that, you can hit push with that move. You can also try to save it and start flipping it with your hands. There's some things that happen with that. So again, in golf, a lot of times we have to do an exaggeration into feeling real, okay? So to get real where it needs to be, we have to change our feel. We have to change what we're feeling from our body. And sometimes we have to exaggerate that in order to find our way to an equal middle, find the middle, okay? There's a compromise in between the two. So one of the things that I've noticed is that there was a golfer on the European Tour whose name was Eamonn Darcy. And Eamonn Darcy had a ridiculously upright swing with a super flying elbow, made Nicklaus look like his elbow was against his body. We all know how good Nicklaus was with a flying elbow. And someone probably would have tried to change that now, but back in the day when somebody was already playing good, if it ain't broke, you don't fix it, right? Okay? And nowadays, all the swings have to be carbon copies of each other, and I don't think that necessarily has to be that way, but it tends to be what is the way in a video era. Now, Darcy would take the club way up and get this elbow like this. I mean, but how can you not keep the club in front of you when you do that? The club's direct. Look at that, my hands are directly in front of my chest instead of over here. See how steep that is? It's ridiculous, all right? So let's try to do the Darcy, which is the drill I'm starting to do. Do the Darcy, all right? So you take it up, and you fly that elbow, and you rip at it. There's absolutely no way that you can get beneath the plane or get the body, get the arms across the body when you channel Eamonn Darcy. Now, it's a great drill, and we're going to show you his golf swing in the link that I'm going to send to you. Google Eamonn Darcy, E-A-M-O-N-N. If you want to just see his swing, I'm going to include a link to his swing, and I think you're going to find this very beneficial if you're somebody who flip hooks it or pushes it, and this will get you upright, and there's absolutely no way to get below the plane doing this. Your club's going to come up so steep it's going to be crazy. And that's one of the things that made Nicklaus so glorious out of the rough. His swing was so steep, he'd go straight up and straight down. There's a lot of advantages to doing that. So getting your swing more upright will keep you more consistent, and it'll make you so much better out of the rough because you won't be coming, when your club's coming in low and underneath, you're going to hit all that grass before you ever get to the ball versus just coming straight down on top of it. This is worthwhile to do, especially, again, if your misses are pushes and if your misses are flip hooks, okay? Because that's pretty much where the swing comes from when it's underneath the plane. All right, let's check out.